a lot in past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and pass. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse, I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace.
Kaip matote, tokie renginiai stiprina bendruomenės veiklą ir dvasią?
Tai mūsų renginiai yra tradiciniai, čia mes jau ne pirmus metus 2 kartus į sezoną tokį renginį krepšinio achemiečiam organizuojam. O vat šiais metais sugalvojom atgaivinti gražią tradiciją. AB Achema generalinis direktorius taurę įsteigė ir štai turnyras įvyko. Žodžiu, kaip matėt, kova vyko taškas į tašką, visos rungtynės baigėsi vienais, 2 taškeliais. Teko skaičiuoti pirmas 3 vietas, kurie surinko viską vienodai. Tai va, lėmė geresnis santykis įmestų ir pramestų. Tai va, nugalėtojai šiandieną yra sporto klubo Fespo krepšininkai ir darbuotojai.
I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society is swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off. When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God I'm breaking out, swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out.